basic tools involved in AutoCAD. And first, before getting started with your file, you need to take the templates. And I prefer choosing acd.dwt. And for I'll be mainly dealing with 2D right now. After that, we'll be shifting to 3D. And the space over here, where the cursor is standing, is the work area. And on top over here, these are the home icons that you see. And on these are the tabs, just like your browser. You can add new tab, and currently we are on drawing one. And on the home bar, first is drawing tools that we have, and these are the lines, polyline, circle, arcs, and a whole lot of things. And when you just place your cursor over here for a bit time, the brief description about the lines will be coming. And on the when you go to the right, you get the modify tools. Over here is a move tool, is a rotate tool, trim, and this one is erase and mirroring. This is fillet, explode. It's like when you join something, you can make it into parts. And this is stretch tool, scale, and this is annotation. It is the place where you dimension things. And if you, dimensioning is an important part of AutoCAD. Means like when you are doing your project, you need to dimension it, especially when you are submitting a project for your exam in AutoCAD. You need to dimension the area that you have created. And these are the layers, block, and all. We can also dimension in a standard way over here. Means like you can modify your dimension over here, like when you click on it, manage dimension tools, where you can change the font size of your dimension things. And over here is the modeling workspace, and this is a ortho mode in which you can draw the line in either 90-degree or 180-degree, depending upon the position that you choose, the beginning one. And this is object snapping. On the right there is a small arrow like button where you can add new options your object snapping. It's like you can add the midpoint of the line that you have drawn, the nodal point, the quadrant of the circles, or the tangent of the circle, and many more. And this is the area where you can change your workspace in 3D, 3D modeling and all. Now we are in drafting and annotation. It mainly deals with 2D. And over here you can change the view, or you can change the view over here also. And this is our view right now when you take southwest isometric view. And mostly in 2D we'll be dealing with the top view, and I'll be showing the line tool right now. And if you choose this point, you can see over here, these are the coordinates of the position that we are at right now. So if you want, you can change, just type 1 and press tab, type 1 and press enter. This is the, and you need to scroll back for zooming in and zooming out. And this is the point where there's 1 and 1 coordinate, x coordinate is y and y coordinate is y. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 1. And you can choose the length of your line with this. And if you want to choose a specific length, like I'm gonna give for 50, it's going to be huge. And if the zoom out thing is not working and you are in a dilemma, I'll tell the reason to do that. Let me cancel this 1 minute. Yeah, you got things right. And this is beginning from 1 and it's extend to 50. And you need to first change your units. Just type in U and yeah, away units. It's the first thing that you should be doing when you get into AutoCAD, because most of the time by default it'll be into inches, and for your projects and all you'll be doing millimeter. So press enter, and the precision, yeah, it's up to you what you choose, and press OK. And I'll be canceling this, and you can I'll be drawing a rectangle right now. When I okay, I will go to ortho mode. This will let you draw in 0 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree. Yeah, I'll choose over here. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Yeah, I've drawn. Since I have chosen, and when you're done, press enter. And if you want to go back to your line tool, press again enter. So it will go back to your tool. And these are the intersection points. So since we have marked the object snapping technique over here, we have chosen intersection points, so it will be showing intersection these 2 points. And if you choose midpoint over here, it will be showing the midpoint. See, this green small triangle is the midpoint of this line, and this green is the midpoint of this line. Yeah, so if I want, I will be drawing a small circle where the point of intersection of these two middle points meet. Okay, this will be my circle I will be drawing, choosing 1 as the radius. Yeah, this is a circle. And now when you just see, this is actually separate individual lines, and if you want to select it, you can either do this. The specialty of going to left from right is that if you touch any part of this line, it's like this, it will select the whole thing. But when you go from left to right, you need to completely select one particular part. It's like when I went from left to right, I selected only the complete portion of this part and this part. Oh yeah, it's gone. Yeah, and when that happens, you can only select a particular portion of that. Most of the time, it's better to go from right to left. Yeah, and these are the texting area where you can name the given scale and all. And these are basically the things or the tools that are there in the AutoCAD 2016. And thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the coming up videos. Thanks for watching.